Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, and we've got a treat for you today. A previously loved 2021 Gala Montecarlo 1900 LX. Gala RV based in Quebec, so this is a nice Canadian built coach built on the Ram. 2500 ProMaster chassis, all kinds of great features on the chassis end of things we can get into a little bit more in depth if you wanted to come in and have a look at this unit, but some very modern safety features on this one. It's retracted right now because we are in a bit of a wind today, but as you can see at the top of the unit here, we have a carefree awning that is motion censored. It actually just went in on its own, so if any high wind makes it move around too much, it will retract on its own. Love that feature. Power assist integrated step to get into the unit. So that'll pop out as you open up the outside door. Tinted windows all around for your privacy. There are, of course, pull down blinds in there as well. Here's a view from the back. Some of the previous owners' camping supplies are still in here, barely used. There's 1,260 kilometers on this unit, so it's really barely been used. And it is actually set up and ready to camp as we look at it today. It is set up to tow. You've got a 7-pin and a 4-way at the back, so if you do want to tow something along. Oftentimes with the B van with limited exterior storage, it's a good idea to prepare yourself for some different storage methods, so you do have that tow behind feature as well. On the off side of the camper here, we've got an outside shower, of course a water tank, city fill. A little bit of storage there. Now the storage is really just enough to wrap up your cord and put a few things in there. There's not a lot of depth to the storage, but it is convenient to have that exterior storage. One of the features I really like about it, a simple thing, is this propane door will open up to an actual propane tank. So you don't have to find specifically a RV fill station in order to get your propane refilled. You can just do a tank exchange or have your 20-pound tank that's in there refilled at your local Costco or wherever else you can find to fill up a propane bottle the old-fashioned way. As we continue our walk around, again, I mentioned there's only 1,260 kilometers on this unit. We're going to take a look at the inside now. We do have seats that turn around in this unit, so I've got the passenger seat right now in the lounge position, we'll call it. As we head in, you can see there is a table tucked in behind the driver's seat that will mount either here at the front, or you can take advantage of the table that's integrated here at the back, which also drops down as a bed. Let's take a look at some of the features here at the front. Again, these nice turnaround seats, but you've got a neat feature here. B-Van, one of the biggest, opportunities is size in the bathroom area. And in this little unique space here, we've got a small sink on the outside, a little waste compartment here. There's a medicine cabinet here, so you can keep a few things outside, and a nice mirror with some LED lighting. So we like that because it gives you a nice big bathroom. We'll take a look here. Good sized bathroom. There's your flush. And of course your shower is integrated in there as well. So not trying to mash everything inside. The marine style bathroom gives you that opportunity to have a little bit more elbow room in the shower and when you're on the flush. Taking a look towards the back of the coach, one neat feature here in the control panel, this table in the middle, that'll actually drop down at the push of a button, so you can create a bed. So you just rearrange the cushions to do that, and the previous owner has left behind a air mattress so you can get a little bit more comfort. But really, in the bed configuration, once you move everything around, that's quite a comfortable bed and a nice easy setup to get it back up into the lounge position. All your controls are up here. You can see the switch for the table is right here. You've got your carefree awning. We'll turn that off for now, but it'll power in, power out. As I noted, the wind picked up and it pulled in automatically, so we know that works. You've got your Truma heating technology to make sure you're able to stay warm, have warm water and all that sort of thing. And you've got a tank monitoring system up here as well. Some more features here with the B-Vans. We tend to get into the deeper we dig, the more we find for neat features. All kinds of cool stuff built into this one, but we wanted to give you a quick preview of what we just see, what meets the eye as you walk into the unit. Great storage here. That is a pass-through storage too. As we see, there's storage on the outside as well, which you don't often see, so you can reach those cabinets into that one drawer. That'll pass through right to the other side, which is a nice touch as well. Got a 2-burner propane cooktop on this unit, and your sink. These will close down both a Dometic product, so when you have those closed down, you've got a little bit of extra space to set things on. Now this space here can be used, it is set up as a shirt closet. Right now we have the inflatable mattress in there, but there is a shirt closet space in there as well. Your TV above. To the left you've got a couple of cupboards to keep everything in. There's current items in there right now from the previous owner, everything you need to get going camping. Microwave built into this unit as well, gives you the ability to heat things up quick. A couple cubby spaces there to tuck things in. Stepping back, you've got a high flow fan and an air conditioning unit here at the back. Like these little blue marker lights too throughout the coach, just gives you a little bit of extra visibility. If you're up at night and you just want to have those blue lights on, you're able to do that. Very nice upholstery here on the wraparound dinette. You see the blinds there that pull down to give you some privacy, some storage above. And we've got screen netting here at the back that'll come down and zipper close so that you can have that open air feel but still be protected from bugs on the outside. Speakers at the back, a couple of plugs there so you're able to plug in your devices. You can sit here nice and comfortably at the back of the coach, watch television if you'd like, sit across, play some cards, have a nice meal. Really well appointed for the size of the coach, well laid out to have a nice social space. And as we noted earlier, that table will drop down with the power switch to create a very comfortable bed as well. Most of these features you're going to need to come in to really appreciate, but one last walkthrough here to give you a sense of the space that you get. Well laid out, good space here in the alleyway, so you're not too narrow. It's a good 2 feet across, so you're able to get through there. You could actually squeeze 2 people by at the same time if you needed to. And then one last feature I really like to highlight is this little pantry area here that pulls out. Nice and neat, integrated right next to the fridge to keep all your food available and handy. Nice backsplash here behind the propane 2-burner cooktop. And geez, as I look around and really appreciate the build quality of this unit, nice to see an opportunity here on the lot for a pre-owned Class B van. Come on in and see us, folks. Leisure Time Sales, Chris Spam says. Our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton would love to give you a hand picking out a camper that suits your needs. This one a very unique piece. Low kilometers, Canadian built, pre-owned opportunity to get into a B van at a very reasonable price in a tough market to get into in the first place. And really love the floor plan, the layout, the space. Really an enjoyable product here. Come on down and take a look at it, folks, for yourself.